Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Friday, September 2nd. And the headline is going to be a pure Michigan weekend coming up. We have lots of sunshine. We'll have temperatures continue to warm right on through the weekend after cool lows last night in the upper 40s to mid 50s across the area. Again, we'll see temperatures warm. We'll be in the low 70s today. We'll be in the upper 70s, I think, for Saturday. Around 80 or in the low 80s for Sunday. We'll be in the mid 80s, I think, by Monday. And for Tuesday and Wednesday, it could be our last chance to hit 90 degrees. I think right now mid 80s to around 90, but certainly a couple locations could touch 90. And again, that would probably be our last best chance to hit 90. Our next rainfall looks like it's probably going to hold off until the middle of next week, maybe even into Thursday, but probably Wednesday at the earliest. So lots of sunshine and dry conditions until then. If we look at the normals for the day, our normal high is 78, the normal low is 55. We have a record high of 97 occurred back in 1953. And a year ago on this date, we had a warm high of 86 and a low of 69 with a couple of hundredths of precipitation. If we look at the conditions around the area yesterday, Lansing Station is down this morning, but as far as conditions around the area yesterday, mainly low 70s, even upper 60s over there at Marlette with just a trace amount of precipitation, mainly across the eastern part of the state into southwest Ontario. But again, very, very minimal amounts with lots of cloud cover, and we'll see more in the way of sunshine coming up, however. If we look at conditions this morning, you can see temperatures mainly in the low 50s across the area. Again, a couple of stations down. And then we have temperatures at Newaygo down to 47 degrees, so pretty chilly at our ice box. And if we look at the radar, nice and clear out there this morning, no rain in the area. And as far as satellite view, you can see our hurricane, which is now a tropical storm. It's going to re-emerge into the Atlantic here over the next couple of days and ride up the coast. And we have to watch that. It may tuck and turn back into slam parts of the mid-Atlantic states where there are a number of tropical storm watches and warnings up and down the eastern seaboard. So we'll certainly keep an eye on that. As far as the satellite from the hurricane as it made landfall last night right in the crotch of Florida as we expected, it's going to now move and begin to move off to the east, move up the coastline and bring lots of rainfall up and down the area. If we look at the forecasted 5 a.m. advisory this morning, you can see the track that the National Hurricane Center is forecasting, and you can see the tropical storm warnings all the way from the Atlantic seaboard portions of northern Florida all the way up to North Carolina. Tropical storm watches are in effect now from parts of Virginia all the way up to near Long Island. So again, it could be an interesting few days coming up as we go through the weekend. If we look at the weather map this morning, you can see that tropical storm system in the southeast states, again, off to our east. And you're going to notice the high pressure center is going to be centered right across the Great Lakes all through the whole weekend. And as it begins to move off to the east, we'll get a return flow and warmer conditions, especially late in the weekend. And you can see by Saturday morning that high pressure system sitting right over top of the Great Lakes. So what that means tonight is with clear skies and calm winds, it's going to get quite chilly again tonight. And if we look at the map on Sunday, that high begins to sink off to the south and east. And again, we should start to get a return flow. But again, we're going to be high and dry right on through at least next Tuesday, probably through Wednesday. And I think by late in the day, Wednesday into Wednesday night and Thursday would be our best chance of showers and thunderstorms at that time. And if we look at the precipitation forecast here over the next 7 days, you can see all the rain from that tropical system off to the east. And the number of systems moving off to our northwest will eventually begin to affect the area, but again, not for quite a while yet. As far as the extended outlook, as far as temperature goes, you can see above to much above normal for much of the Great Lakes all the way back to Texas. But again, the warmest conditions compared to normal are going to be from the eastern lakes into New England and the mid-Atlantic states. As far as precipitation goes, the northern stream systems will have the greatest impact over the upper Midwest here over the next 6 to 10 days. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday, and 73s to all.